In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your browser cache and cookies. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to refresh your browser and improve its performance, as well as resolve some common issues with accessing websites. First and foremost, let's start by understanding why you might want to do this. Over time, your browser stores information about the websites you visit. This includes cookies, which are small files that remember your activity, and cached files, which are saved versions of web pages for quicker loading in future visits. While this sounds convenient, old or corrupt cookies and caches can sometimes block access to websites, cause pages to load incorrectly, or simply slow down your browser. So clearing these can often solve issues and enhance your browsing experience. Now let's move on to the actual process. Open your preferred browser and navigate to its settings. If you're using Chrome, you'll find this by clicking on the three dots at the top right of your window and selecting Settings. From there, look for Privacy and Security. This section is where you manage all things related to your online data and privacy. In the Privacy and Security tab, you'll see various options related to your browsing data. You'll want to click on Clear Browsing Data. This option is your gateway to tidying up your cache and cookies. When you click it, you'll be presented with different types of data you can clear from your browser. Here, select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Selecting these will ensure that all unwanted cookies and cached files are removed from your browser. Take a moment to double check that these options are chosen, as clearing these specific data types can help wipe out the issues you've been experiencing. Once you've made your selections, it's time to hit Clear Data. This will initiate the process of clearing your browser's stored information. Depending on how much data there is, this might take a moment. So grab a coffee or take a deep breath while it finishes up. Finally, once the clearing process is complete, close your browser and restart it. This ensures everything resets completely and you start fresh. Once open, just navigate back to a regular web page and it should load without any of the previous problems. Now, with a cleaner slate, your browser should be more responsive, load sites correctly, and you should have fewer issues accessing the content you love. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully cleared your browser cache and cookies. This should not only enhance your browser's performance, but also help you avoid trouble accessing your favorite websites in the future. If you